How's it going, everybody? My name is Kareeti and welcome to another video. If you've stumbled upon this video, it's something special. It's about rain, because I love rain. So that's why we're talking about rain today. If you enjoy rain, stick around. I'm going to tell you why rain is good for the body and mental health. We're going to talk about rain today on the channel. I know, I'm a weatherman. So let's get started. So first of all, why is rain actually good for your body and mental health? Well, I'm going to tell you guys. Rain actually positively influences your mood, it recharges your body, and it lifts depressed spirits. I'm on Health Reporter, so it's gotta be true, right? So basically, what does rain do for us? Well, it charges the world around us, the air, with negative ions, which are actually good for you. You need negative ions. Negative ions actually, increase your mood. They make you feel a lot better. Positive ions, it's actually the opposite. I know you think positive would be positive and negative would be negative, but actually it's the opposite. Positive ions actually make you feel depressed. They make you feel down. They make you feel stressed. They make you feel, kind of like, imagine yourself in a big city and you just are not cool with people around you, and you don't like being the center of attention, you don't like being in a crowd, and basically those positive ions are hitting you, they're affecting your pH levels. I sound like a doctor, but I'm not. And they basically affect your mood and make you feel down and make you feel grumpy and make you feel stressed out. And what that's doing is so it's pushing your equilibrium to a more happier state of 7.365. And it's not just rain that has these negative ions. It's actually anywhere where water flows. It's rivers, streams, lakes. That's why it's so good. You guys know when you're out at the beach, you're having a good time, you jump in the water, how refreshing it feels, how good it feels to get in there. And it's not just because it's a hot day and it feels good to get in the water. It actually helps purify your body. It makes you feel better because you're pushing those negative ions into your body. So that's why being out in the country is actually a really, really good thing. That's why I love New Zealand so much, is because it's a lot of countryside and it's a lot of beautiful scenery. If you're in a populated city that has a lot of carbon dioxide everywhere in the air, and it just makes it builds up all those positive ions, and they're just filled with all that negativeness, you know? So what those positive ions are actually doing is supporting that fatigue, that stress, that moodiness, that grumpiness, you know what I mean? And they're also contributing to anxiety. Negative ions actually increase the flow of oxygen to your brain, makes you feel a lot more better, a lot more energized, a lot more motivated, which means you get that brain flowing, creativity comes out, you're more motivated to go to work, you're more motivated to get things done, you're more motivated to go and conquer the day. So now that you have all these negative ions in your body, now you're going to have more alertness, you're going to have less drowsiness, and more mental energy. It was actually an experiment done recently where a university put 20 to 65-year-old men and women in a room filled with positive ions, and they actually became more grumpy, more irritable, more fatigued than the people that they put in a room filled with negative ions. So how do you get negative ions? How do you get all of these invisible protons and proteins and, everything into your body that you need? If you guys have a garden at home, you can always put a fountain in it. There you have that little flow of water as well, so you get producing those negative ions throughout your backyard or your garden space. You can go hiking, you can take a trip to a lake, go fishing, whatever suits your boat, go kayaking, tubing, just get out there, just have a nice day at the beach, go to the spa maybe, have a little picnic by a lake or a river, just really, really good things to get you more negatively charged, I personally love the rain so much. It's so relaxing. It always helps me sleep, especially when I'm trying to sleep and I can't sleep and then all of a sudden it starts raining outside, or even listening to the sounds of rain on like a video. Just being able to listen to the sound of rain definitely helps me relax, helps my anxiety, things like that. Whenever it's raining outside, it's just like the world just slows down. I don't know how to really say it. It's really strange because on some rainy days I get so energized and I get so motivated to record videos and to be creative, and that goes along with those negative icon things. Actually, there's a creek literally right outside my house, so technically I'm getting all those negative ions constantly for the most part. But sometimes, rainy days, you just want to go in, get in bed, get cozy, have a hot chocolate, and just have a good day and watch some YouTubes, You don't want to do all this other stuff. You just want to have, someone to wrap up in and cuddle and just not do anything. Just have Netflix and chill, whatever you want to do. I absolutely love the rain, though, especially when I'm driving. I love driving in the rain. A lot of people don't for some reason. I don't really know why, but I think it's so therapeutic, so relaxing. Like the rain splatting on the window. It's such a great feeling. I don't know, the sound, like everything just feels like everything's moving in like slow motion when it happens, and I really enjoy it myself. And it's actually raining right now, which is why I love being outdoors so much. I love being outside in the rain. I love going on little hikes and walks, especially if you're in the woods and you have this trail and then you have like a canopy above your head of just pine trees, and you hear the little like shitters. You hear the little pitter-patter back and forth of the drops falling off the tree, and then you got the little puddles in the ground, and trying to like walk along the path and avoid like the little holes and like filled with all the mud and stuff. I don't know, I really enjoy it. It's really relaxing for me. I feel like that's why I love thunderstorms so much. Like I love going outside when there's a storm brewing, because you can feel everything, like you can feel the energy in the air, and mostly when that's happening I would assume that's going to be positive ions, because positive ions are more abundant in humid climates. So obviously when a thunderstorm happens, a lot of times it's humid outside. But I don't know, I just love that energy in the air, and just seeing the clouds form and build. That's why I love time lapses of like seeing supercells like go by, and you see the time lapse of like the clouds go like I love that. But just having my window open, just being able to look outside and just see like the little leaves just like, you know what I mean? It's just it's so nice. How do you feel when it rains? Do you hate the rain? Do you love the rain? I want you to really think deep about this. Don't just be like, okay, I like the rain, that's cool. Like, let me know a little bit more in depth of why. Like, how does it make you feel? Does it brighten up your mood? Does it bring you down? Do you want to stay in bed all day, or do you actually want to get up and be creative? Let me know. To be honest, sometimes it can do a little bit of both for me. Sometimes I want to be creative and get a lot of work done when it rains. Other times I just want to lay in bed and sleep because it's so comfortable. Because obviously the air is a little bit, you know, more thin. There's not as much humidity in the air. The dew point's like really low in like the 40s or 50s, and everything's just, it feels so nice. And especially when you're in bed and you have that little bit of chilly air, you know, that little breeze coming in, and you just want to lay there and you're so comfy and you're wrapped up, and oh, it's perfect. But then other times I want to go outside in the rain. I want to explore. I want to go do all these things and be creative and make some really cool videos for you guys. That's why when it started raining, I had this idea in my head to make this video, and I was like, I need to make this video because I'm actually motivated right now to make the video. I want to talk about it. I want to make a video about rain. And I know a lot of people are like, why would you want to make a video about rain? But I really enjoy the rain. I really love the rain. I love waking up in the morning, having my coffee, getting up, recording some videos, and I love these types of videos. I want to do more videos like this. This is different. It's something different. It's something new. It's not the same exact thing that I always do all the time, and that's what I want to kind of slowly turn the channel into, is just coming up with different topics, doing research, kind of turning these videos into like a project, like a school project, kind of. Like, I want to do like little videos of me making little like banners and posters and cards of where I want to travel to, and like kind of doing some DIY stuff with that. And I feel like that would be really, really cool to do as well. Just spilled coffee all over my dang chair. I'm not even mad about it though, because I got all these negative ions in my body. It sounds so weird saying you have a negative ion in your body, but you feel positive about it. It's like this weird opposite attract type of thing. It's so strange. I don't know, rain in general, it's just the most relaxing thing ever. Like, it can help with depression. It can help with anxiety. Like, if you guys are suffering from anxiety or depression, does the rain help you at all? Do you focus on the rain? Do you focus on the sound of the rain? How does it help you if it does? Because it does help a lot of people, actually. I've seen a lot of articles about it that actually help people. So let me know if you're one of those people that it helps, because it helps me when I'm feeling a little bit down. It's just, sometimes the grayness can get you down though. It's not very bright outside, but sometimes you need that gray, you need that desaturation, you need the lighting, you know. And one thing I really love about seeing the scenery outside is when it rains, everything is wet, everything is more, like the clouds are desaturated, but everything else just comes to life when it's moist and wet. Yeah, I know I said moist, shush. It brings color to the world, and I absolutely love it. And the smell, oh my god, can we just talk about the smell of rain for a second? It's amazing. So I'm actually going to end the video like this. I don't know if people are going to love this video or not, or if you guys are going to like it or not. I just wanted to do something different, and I really wanted to talk about the rain. I don't know, it's a very simple topic, but it means so much, and there's more meaning to it. There's more science and all this mumbo jumbo crazy talk that I'm actually very interested in, and I want to do more research about it and talk to you guys more about it, and just make more videos like this. So if you enjoy these types of videos where I'm just talking about random things and my interests, that would be a cool idea. Let me know where you guys want me to travel to, or where you want me and Amber to travel to together once we have the resources necessary to travel together. Let us know where you want to see us go. I know this video was not for everybody. I know a lot of you guys might not enjoy this, but I love filming these types of videos. They're different. It gives me something new and creative to do. And like the rain, those ions, man, those negative ions, they're just, you know, pew, 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 pew. Pew news. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, because I upload every single day, and I stream as well, and I do a lot of different things from gaming to vlogs to challenges, lifestyle, fitness. I literally do everything. What was my... And I'm really weird, okay? This is a more like kind of chill, me talking about some stuff, dropping some knowledge, you know what I'm saying? I just drop that. Make sure to let me know down in the comments what you think about rain. How does it help you? How does it affect you? And I will see you guys in the next video. Kareeti out.